Okay, today we are going to continue practicing main idea in detail. So you're going to find the worksheets right here, also the grammar warm up worksheet. I will put the video to check that in just a bit. Um, okay, let's just get started. So yesterday you did one about the cavities, preventing cavities. Well, today you're going to do another one similar. This one's about thunderstorms. However, this time you're going to write the main idea here and then 3 details. And I'm going to tell you right now, it's not going to be that first sentence. So make sure you're looking for what the paragraph is mostly about, that all of the details support your main idea, and um, choose accordingly. So I want you to do the same thing as you did yesterday. I want you to pause my video, do the work on your own, and then come back to my video and we'll go over it. Okay, so go ahead and pause it now. Alrighty, hopefully you did that, you paused it, and now let's go over it. Thunderstorms are dangerous. Every thunderstorm contains lightning, and lightning kills more people each year than tornadoes or hurricanes. Do you know what to do to remain safe during a thunderstorm? First, go inside a sturdy building or a vehicle and close the windows. Furthermore, the National Weather Service recommends that you stay inside for at least 30 minutes after the last rumble of thunder is heard. Do not use telephones or electrical equipment. Avoid taking showers or baths. If you are unable to get safely inside a building, avoid taking cover beneath tall, isolated trees. Also, avoid water, high ground, and metal objects. Knowing what to do and what not to do during a thunderstorm could save your life. All right. Um, so, what is this? The topic of this is thunderstorms. But what's the author's point? What point is the author trying to make about these thunderstorms? Okay, so in the beginning, it says thunderstorms are dangerous. Well, that's true, and it gives you some information about thunderstorms, but that is not what the author is trying to what that's not the point the author is trying to make. Uh, the author is trying to keep you safe, right? And she or he gives you several things to do if there is a thunderstorm. So, your main idea could be right here, the very last sentence. Knowing what to do and what not to do during a thunderstorm could save your life. Or if you wanted to write your own, you could say, there are many things you could do to protect yourself during a thunderstorm, or something like that. But that should be written here, and I can't write it, so I will underline. But if you put it in your own words, that is fine too, because in this one, it's not quite, I mean, this is knowing what to do could save your life, and then they give you all of the things to do. But you could also say there are many things you could do to protect yourself during a thunderstorm or something like that. So if you wrote something out on your own, that's fine. All right, and then let's get some details. Now, the details are going to be all of the things that you can do to protect yourself during a thunderstorm. Okay, it's not letting me, well, that's weird. It's not letting me scroll. All right, so let's go back. Sorry about that. All right, so first, that is a good indicator there. Go inside a sturdy building. Okay, I cannot highlight, sorry, or underline or whatever I'm doing here. Um, then it also says here, see, I don't have to do all of this stuff, but I'm going to start right here. Stay inside for at least 30 minutes after the last rumble of thunder is heard. Okay. Um, do not use telephone. So all of these things, Any of these things that they tell you to do during a thunderstorm are details. Avoid taking showers or baths. Avoid taking cover beneath tall, isolated trees. Avoid means to stay away from. Avoid water, high ground, and metal objects. Any of those. Now, obviously, I underlined more than 3. You only had to write 3 of them. So if you wrote those 3, you are good. So after you're done with this, now what you need to do is you are going to do something on your own, and you're going to turn it in. So I'm going to have this article online for you, and you're going to read this. And then after you read this, it's about snow leopards. Then you're going to go to Edulastic, which there is a link on your Google Classroom. You're going to go to Edulastic, and actually, I just thought of this. I am going to create a Google Classroom material for you. So this is not going to be linked on the Week at a Glance. I need you to go to Google Classroom, and I will link it there, okay? And also the link for Edulastic is on Google Classroom. Alrighty? So go there to find this. You just, whatever class you're in, I know there's, let's see, I know one of you are in, so you go here, you find your name, it's going to look different for you. But anyway, answer some questions. The questions are about specific paragraphs sometimes, and sometimes it's about the whole article. So make sure that you are on the correct paragraph. Okay. So this is the first paragraph, second, third. All right. If you have questions, you can send me either dojos or messages through Google Classroom, and I will try to keep track and answer those. Enjoy your day.